Hey guys, it's me Sam, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to download some music for free. So there is good audio. So press home. Now go into Chrome and search MP3 Juices. Get the first one, and it should look like this. So type a name of any song. So I'm just gonna put in one. So I'm gonna check off my there. So we're gonna search there we go. So search. See the right song. Just tap download. You'll see that coming up, and it says checking video. The file is ready. Please click download button to start the download. So just press the black download button. So it's downloading. Okay, I already downloaded 3. I don't know how. That's okay. So you can also download a video, but I'm not really sure where to watch it. So there it is. It's downloaded, and go back to home. Just close it. Now I'm gonna go into Google Play Music. Search. And there it is. And it's completely downloaded. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you like my channel, subscribe. If you like this video,